everyone, today we're showing how to use ArcGIS maps for Power BI. Shall we start? Welcome back to Made Easy. My name is Jane. Together with our dedicated team, we're here to make software learning simple and enjoyable. Explore our wide range of video tutorials for a seamless learning experience. ArcGIS for Power BI is a powerful mapping tool that allows you to enrich your data visualizations. Let's get started with how to set it up and use it to bring your data to life. To use ArcGIS Maps, go to Visualizations pane and click on the ArcGIS Maps for Power BI. When you first attempt to use ArcGIS Maps in Power BI, you'll be greeted with a welcome message. Just click OK to proceed. Next, you'll see a prompt asking you to sign in. While signing in isn't necessary to use basic features, having a valid, licensed ArcGIS account opens up a plethora of advanced functionalities. But for now, we'll continue without signing in. Let's select the data you want to visualize. In this example, we're using sales data. I'll select city and last year sales. Watch as the ArcGIS map loads and visualizes the data. If you don't see the ArcGIS map, or if you encounter an error message, you might need to enable it first. Check out our tutorial on how to enable map visuals in Power BI. I've put the link in the description below. ArcGIS Maps for Power BI includes some very useful features. For instance, you can change the base map type to suit your visualization needs. ArcGIS also offers access to valuable data layers for free, which can enhance your visualizations significantly. Here, I'm adding a reference layer of 2020 USA per capita income to our sales data. This is just one example of the many features available. All right, that's everything I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and explore more tutorials on Made Easy. And if you're new here, we'd love to have you join our community. It's a great way to learn something new every day. Thanks for joining us on this learning journey. Keep exploring and see you in the next video.